Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last month and how the price of crude can move in the next month, that is December of 2023. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $74.34. Okay, and in pandemic what we have seen, it went to negative. After that it tries to go upside, as you can see looking at this particular chart, made a half round $131, and from there is a continuous downfall. Okay, this level we have not seen since long, so chances will be very high that if the price sustain above a level of $83, a further upside movement we can see, because there is a clear pattern forming and chances will be high that it will go towards 90, and then from there a probability of going towards $95 is there. Okay, and once the price started moving above 95, a further upside movement we can see, and then a further upside, because there is a clear pattern forming if the price sustain above a level of 93. Okay, but if we see a opposite U pattern is forming, if the price started falling below a level of around $68, a further fall we can see, because there is a pattern forming which is showing that there is a higher chances it will move further down. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next month, that's December of 2023, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, there is a clear indication that there is a higher chances of going further down, because a pattern is also forming. Okay, so you have to keep 2 points in mind, that if the price started falling below a level of $71, a downfall we can see, and if it started moving below 68, a further downfall we can see. So chances of selling at these levels are very high. This is the level 71, it will touch towards the level of $68. From there a bounce back can come, but if it didn't come, then a further fall we can see. But if it started sustaining above $83, then there is a probability of creating this particular pattern. So chances of sustaining above a level of 85 we can see, and if it sustain above 85, a further upside movement we can see. So these two things you have to understand. As you can see that after pandemic there is a continuous upside level. Okay, and it has already made a half round $131, and this level, even after, we have not seen that it has crossed the level of 94 since 6-7 months. So chances are very high that if started sustaining over $83, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, because there is higher chances from 3 months we have seen there is a continuous downfall. So suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, the next support coming at a level of around $74. Okay, and if started falling below that particular level, chances are very high it will move further down, and yes, a probability of going towards 70.36 is there. Okay, and once the price started falling below 70.36, chances are very high it will go towards a level of around $68. Okay, and once it started falling below $68, a probability of going further downward we can see towards 66.90. Okay, and if started falling below that particular level, it will cross a level of 64.37. Keep that in mind, that as soon as started falling below 66.90, chances are very high it will cross a level of around 64.37, because this level is already a weak support. Okay, so once it started falling below 66.90, it will cross a level of $64.37, and it will touch a level of around 61.57. Okay, and once started falling below 61.57, it will go further down, and yes, a probability of going towards a level of 57.85 is there. Okay, and once started falling below 67.85, a probability of going further fall we can see towards a level of 57. Okay, and if started moving below 57, a further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So if the price started falling 68, chances of touching a level of 57 also we can see, as per the supports what I have told you. Okay, because $68 is also a strong support, but understand that market is always uncertain. Okay, so if you have to understand something, that see, there is a clear pattern forming here, that if the price started falling $71, chances are very high that it will cross this particular level, and a probability of going towards to a level of 68, to a level of 64, and then to a level of 62 will also be there. but if started falling below that level, a probability of going below a level of 60 also we can see. So it can touch a level of $57 and then a further fall also we can see. Okay, now understand something. Market is always uncertain. Okay. And if you look at this particular trend, there is a U pattern forming. Okay, so if the price started sustaining above this level, what we can see? Suppose if the price started sustaining above this level, we will see it will go towards a level of $76.91. Okay, and if started going above that particular level, chances of going further upside we can see, and from there a probability of going towards 80.17 is there. Okay, because as soon as it started sustaining above $76.91, this is a strong resistance. So if it started sustaining above that level, a probability of going towards a level of 80.17 is there, and from there we can see it will go above a level of around 83.32 is there. Okay, this is the level. Okay, so as soon as started going above a level of 80.17, we will see that it will cross this level and it will touch a level of around $83.32, and from there a probability of going towards 84.81 is there. Okay, and once the price started sustaining over 84.81, a probability of sustaining above that level we can see, and then from there a probability of going towards a level of around 90.53 is there. You have to keep it in mind that as soon as started sustaining over 83.32, a probability of touching 85 we can see, and from there a level of around 90.53 is there. And once started sustaining over that level, we can see a level of $91.8. Okay, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 95.21 is there. Okay, so if it started moving above that 95.21, then a further upside we can see towards a level of $98.37. Okay, further upside we can see because there is a clear pattern forming and chances are very high it will cross a level of $100, 100.43, and then a further upside movement we can see in the price of crude. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or Govind. The mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.